save also.
Why you bring the feature? Okay, this will be done. Okay.
Okay. So excuse me. Okay. So now like here we now what we can do, I can create the feature and then assign, like we can have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Less.
and 10.
So each can take 2 of them at least. But the put the users to like the Famid.
Okay.
Yeah, keep writing at the very end like the assign. Follow this, okay, you can create the like of the features. I think some of the notification has like the less user story.
Yeah, only 2.
Okay. So just the whatever is the many user story and the API, they create them as a, like the feature.
Yeah, like only accept notification and then and the address, like review has also like 7 request, brand has also like 8 to 9 request. So yeah, like the user, product, and the default, these 3 features has like so many user stories are the request. See. Okay, so let me continue with the another one, right? So uh the like after this sign up, as I said, then I will like get the OTP code to this email. Okay, and I have to verify that email through this verify OTP. Okay, so like we can go scenario wise, like from after the sign up, then which one I should execute. We can go like this, and also we can go like one by one, but obviously we have to mention the dependency, we have to mention the prerequisite, all those information correctly. Okay, so let's say if I go to the scenario wise, so then the next one is the API user verify OTP. So let's create another one. I'm just creating from the sprint backlog. So here, like buyer should be able to verify the account from through OTP or one-time password. Okay, so as a buyer, I want to verify my account through the OTP. Uh, um, which or what uh, sent to my registered email address so that I can log into the portal, log into the buyer portal. Okay, so okay, then I can.
Is it going to be within 1 minute, within 5 minutes, because there's a time limit?
Yeah, we can add those into the acceptance criteria. That's it. That was sent to my okay. Okay, then here the prerequisite. Same thing. Buyer should have a valid email address. Then also I can also add more prerequisite like buyer uh, should have a, a good internet connection, uh, uh, browser. So this could be actually the prerequisite for each and every request we can add. And then the dependency here. Mm, the email, um, buyer's email should be registered. Okay. So like when they will register, then after registering the information, then they will basically get the one-time password, right? Then acceptance criteria. The acceptance criteria like one-time password or OTP should be valid only for 5 minutes. Okay. And then also like um OTP should uh, send to the registered email address. I mean, the email address they will use to register the account, only to send to that email address. Then every time it should send an unique OTP, right? So every time, whenever it will send, uh, it should send a unique. Sorry, it should send a unique OTP. Then, uh, what we can add else? Like, uh, okay. Then also buyer should uh use the OTP. Our buyer should use the OTP before it expires. Okay. So like if it is expired, then it's like expired. So you cannot, as a buyer, cannot access those. Okay, so this can be the acceptance criteria. Then okay, then the rest of the things you can use the API specification, and then the same thing we can add like here API endpoint. So the endpoint is this one.
So for
Sim-
the OTP, we can have it again and again if we miss one.
yeah.
It's not like one time.
No, like if it is expired, then it's mean that you cannot register, right? So that means you
Mhm.
have to resend it. You have to like try to resend it, then you will get the another OTP. Then before it expires, then you have to send that OTP, or you have to use that OTP to verify your account.
And
Okay.
for the dependency part, do we add the
Mhm.
number like for the user story or not in this?
Numbers means.
Like this story is coming from some other story and that story has a
Oh yeah,
number.
yeah. You can add also that one. Like here, simply we can add. Uh, okay, here I think we can add or hash. I forgot. We can also refer the user story here. I forgot. Did we implement that, or I saw in another project management tools? But as I remember that we also implemented that. Hmm. No, here we can just simply